Hello and welcome to another vlog of Shortcut Fusion. Hope you all are doing well. We've been in Paris 2023. We explored the city by walking, explored the Eiffel Tower, Seine river cruise at sunset time, and the light show of the Iron Lady in evening from Trocadéro, which is amazing. We not had enough time to explore much more. But if you are planning to visit Paris, book your tickets in advance for top of Eiffel, where you can see city view of Paris, the Louvre Museum, which is very famous for Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa, and Disneyland. You need whole one day to explore Disneyland. You can try macaron, which is French dessert, which we like most, and be careful from pickpockets, scam, and many type of fraud, which is very common in Paris. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy. See you in next video. Take care.